Welcome. Today we will guide you on how to view an old post you've liked on Instagram on your PC with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Start by logging into your Instagram account on your PC. Enter your credentials to access your account and ensure you're on the home page. Step 2. Located at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on the More icon or the three dots. This will open a menu with additional options for you to choose from. Step 3. From the menu that appears, click on Your Activity. This will direct you to a section where you can view your interactions and activity on Instagram. Step 4. Within the Your Activity section, navigate to the Likes subsection. Here you will find posts that you have previously liked. To view these posts in chronological order, click on Sort and Filter options. Step 5. In the Sort and Filter options, choose Oldest to Newest to arrange the liked posts from the oldest ones to the most recent ones. This will help you locate and revisit the old posts you have liked on Instagram. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to view an old post you've liked on Instagram on PC. Stay connected with your favorite posts, engage with content that inspires you, and enjoy a trip down memory lane on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Explore the new features and functionalities of Instagram for a more personalized and enjoyable social media experience.